So looking at this chart, will you buy or sell? You have 5 seconds to decide. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, let's break this chart down. So looking at this chart, we see that this market is on a clear downtrend as it's creating lower low and then lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low and lower high, then coming to this place, lower low, and we have a little bit of lower low here, come down here, it creates equal low here. Can you see it create equal low? And then this high is now higher than this previous high. That make it higher high here. Can you see? That shows that this shows a shifting market, and this low is higher than this market, which make it higher low. Can you see? Now the next pull is going to be above this previous high. That shows a market shifting, and that establish a clean retracement on this very time frame. And I stated that whenever a retracement is being established on any time frame, such market is meant to go to the 50% of that market. Do you get? Now this is the current transactions. This is the current transactions of this particular time frame that smart money is dealing with. Forget about all this candle that goes to the back. Now what you are dealing with and what smart money is dealing with currently is where I cycled here. Is this cycle? This is the current market transactions. So now, because this market is on a weekly time frame, it's going to take a whole lot of time. It's going to take a whole lot of time to go to this very point. So because of that, you can counter trading. What that means is that you can trade against these directions. You can trade against this direction. This direction is selling, right? But because of this long retracement that is going to happen, you are going to counter trade. So you trade against these directions. And if you switch to a lower time frame, your lower time frame is actually going to be a bullish trend. It's going to be another trend line. Do you get? So now let's go to daily time frame and see what daily time frame is saying. Can you see? On a daily time frame, bullish market have already been established on a daily market. Can you see? The market is creating higher high, higher low, and then higher high, then higher low. Can you see? And then higher high, then higher low, then ready to pull up again. Do you get? Can you see? Let me show you. Then from this low is actually pulling up again. So on a daily time frame, this market have established a clean bullish trend. Can you see? From here down to this place, can you see that is a very long trend? It's a very long trend. Before this market to get to this place, there will be a lot of obstruction, roadblock, take profit, pull back, up and down. It will do all kind of drama here before it will reach here. If you can be patient, which we're going to take a whole lot of time, so you don't have that time to waste. So because of that, you switch to a lower time frame. Now at this point, you can actually take a buy. You can actually take a buy from this very point. You see, from this very point, and immediately the market hit here, it pull up. And if you miss this buy, you can also switch to another lower time frame. Can you see? Can you see this time frame? On this very time frame, the market is bearish. The market is telling you to sell. That is why I say when you are trading in the market, you need to understand time frame alignment in the market. So all of these things that we are seeing are the obstruction in the higher time frame. They are the pullback, they are the retracement in the higher time frame, depending the time frame that you are trading. Look at this very guy. This very guy is selling. The other guy is buying. The other guy is waiting. Can you see? But the whole market now is actually on a downtrend. But because of this retracement, you can counter trade. I was inside this market for like 3 days ago. I was inside this market. I hold this market for 3 days, but I exited today because I'm seeing some retracement. So once the retracement is done, I can still enter it again and still push up. If I push up small, I can still leave the market. Because sometimes you might not want to experience pullback in, pullback in, pullback. Do you get? So that is that. What is your opinion on this very market? Are you buying or you are selling? What do you think?